Have you ever pondered the safety of the elevators you step into every day? Welcome to a groundbreaking initiative that's all about that. This is the world's first elevator safety run, an innovative campaign by Virgo designed to unite stakeholders from every corner of the globe. Our mission? To foster awareness, promote safe practices, and demonstrate an unwavering commitment to secure vertical transportation solutions for everyone, especially for the most vulnerable among us, children, the elderly, and differently abled individuals. The elevator safety run isn't just a race, it's a symbol of our collective commitment to elevate safety standards, preventing accidents, and encouraging regulation compliance. And who's part of this us? Manufacturers, building owners, maintenance teams, and users. A broad spectrum of participants, all working together to inspire innovation and build public trust. And the best part? Anyone can participate, no matter where you are. India, Germany, China, Russia, Italy, Turkey, the USA, or any place beyond. So, how can you be part of this movement? It's simple. You can run physically in Bengaluru or virtually through an app. So, tie up those running shoes and join us in making elevator safety a global priority. Together, we can uplift safety standards and trust in elevators worldwide.